Hello, welcome to another little test video. You will have just seen an ident, just under 6 seconds long, but hopefully it's not too annoying. It's short enough, but it would generate an identity, is the entire point of an ident at the beginning of a video. And I think that's short enough. There's a couple of different options I went through, and just to show you those, this is the first one. But that didn't use the logo. This one did. I think the second one works better. I hope it's not horribly offensive. And as well as that intro, I hope to add in, when I say like and subscribe, there should be a title come in, because the other thing I realized is trying to get the audio settings correct into OBS is all well and good, but then OBS goes into iMovie some of the time, but I think I should do it every time, which is why this is a bit of a test to see how that works. The audio settings, I've put them, the gain and the volume, both up to 12 o'clock as suggested by Jim, and I've also slightly boosted the high as well. So hopefully the audio is working for you as well. The other thing I just wanted to test was the sound that comes out of Logic. So this is an example with the mastering on, because when I'm composing, you know, mastering isn't a main thing, so I'm not limiting things. So I just wanted to see how this came out in YouTube, because there's also another audio conversion. So I've gone OBS into iMovie to add the intros, and then into YouTube. So how does this work? Synthwave. Now, at the end there, I just turned the gain down slightly on the input for the mic, because I could see it was kind of bleeding through, and I could see it replicated in the dB meter on the mixer in OBS. So maybe this is the better setting, with slightly boosted bass in the highs, the volume at 12 o'clock and the gain at about 10 o'clock, and that got rid of the background stutter I was seeing in the shotgun mic. There you go, another fun insight. See you in the next video, hopefully back to normal soon. Bye for now.